Okay, what is the code? Does the code consist of? Okay, the code is a medical drive and is helping the schools because the people enter the app and put what have in the body and say that I have sick or I have colics or other things.
So how works our code? So our code works with the information that give us the user of the code, yes? For example, if the user have a headache, he can put the problem that they have in input that we are going to ask to give he to a solution.
Idea. Our idea is to do a medical trash. At the medical trash, you put your feel, like if you have headache or something like that, and the medical trash give you a solution. Like they can say, like I don't know, take a pill or takes a lot of water, and this is the solution that we want to give from the SDG 3. The SDG that we want to solve. We want to solve the SDG 3 that say that all the people needs a good health and a good like a life. At the school we can see this with the nurse.
Okay, in the backend, we use this part of the code to ask the user for his name, years, school, and the symptoms he has. In the code, we use inputs, prints, variables, loops, conditionals, and functions. Okay, the frontend is something that the people see. That is the users who are going to use the platform. In our case, it is a medical triage, and the user will be able to find the questions to know and have a diagnostic of what they have. In addition to the questions, they will have a space to answer them and just have a more specific diagnostic.
Okay, what are the core elements you can use and well how you propose them? Print is used to display messages on the screen. Input communicates with the user and sends the messages. Conditional allows the program to run as long as certain function is fulfilled. Dictionaries. They are used to store information and functions. Is it a set or block of lines of code whose objective is to perform a specific task? Are the capabilities of your program? Our program is characterized for being kind of digital doctor, or at least it works that way, because of the way it's programmed. It will be asked a series of questions to the user, who will have to answer with information about his symptoms and disease he suffers. The program is able to save this information, and at the end, it will give the user some recommendations to solve this problem. The program will be only give the recommendations to the user once he finishes answering all the questions, so that the program will give him an effective solution.
Capacity of our project of program is keep the information that the user put. For example, the user put a name that is David or Eric or other thing. This keep this information and give you a one thing that show you all things that you keep in the code. For example, the name, the school, what old are you, and many things.